Yo, what's up? Javin here. So I got two gaming mices I'm going to be fixing. The first one is the Logitech G102 and the second one is the Deluxe M800 Pro. So the problem of these mouse are the encoder for the scroll, and also for the Logitech one it's mostly because of the double click issues. But easy fix. Change switches, change encoder. Not might not be hard, right? So anyways, enjoy the video. So the Logitech G102, easy, not that hard. Took me a long time though, like an hour or something. Eh, Not that hard. Everything's easily replaceable. Nothing's too hard to desolder and solder back. Just that I just found out the scroll wheel is actually sticky. I don't know, maybe because it's too long and it's made from rubber. But yeah, overall good. No problem. All good.
I know it's bad, but I can't help myself. When I feel sad, I escape from my sins. Lately, music's been my reminiscence. That's when I listen. I know it's bad that I can't help myself. When I get mad, I set fire to the hell. The only way to keep it at a distance. That's when I listen. Music is the reason why I stay, stay, stay. A cheering melody will fix a melancholic heart. The music is the reason, the music is the reason why I stay. I feel alive, I feel alive, I feel alive. The music is the reason, the music is the reason why I I feel alive, I feel alive. The music is the reason. I see the signs when I stay in my shell. As soon as I'm sad, I tend to build a fence. That's when I need tunes to keep on living, like someone's listening. I see the signs when I see.
Deluxe M800 Pro took way longer than I expected. So this one took 3 hours, and the issue was that I didn't properly push the encoder pin in. Another thing is that I soldered the encoder's solder holes too much until it got loose, so I had to MacGyver and then solder it directly on top of the encoder pin. This took me multiple attempts, but it's all done. Now it works. By the way, if you guys have any insights like advices or tips or any critics, I welcome them. Leave your comments down below. Just tell me what I'm doing wrong, what I should have done better. And that's all. Thank you for enjoying the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.